In case I didn't mention it, this thing is pretty greasy, so you might want to have a paper towel handy. I'm taking the nut off, taking the bolt out. There's a spacer and a washer there, and I'm very hopeful that I've got it in the right position. What I'm going to do, line this up. It's very tight. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and try and get that bolt started. Not being cooperative. Okay, it's coming. I'm going to line the shock back up. Oops, too far. Let's see if I can screw it up through there. Number 6mm. Okay, it's coming. I'm going the wrong way. I'll go this way. You can see this is not necessarily a piece of cake. Everything has to be lined up just right. I'm trying to eyeball it. And